Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial with me. My name is Ivan. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the brush tip as well as your clone stamp and your eraser tool. How to change those so you can use whatever shape you want, whether you've downloaded brushes or created your own ones. Before I get going, I'm just using a new microphone. Please leave your comments below. Let me know how do you think the sound quality is going, if it's improved, if it's worse, if I need to change something. That would be much appreciated. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to show your support. Okay, so at the moment I've got my brush selected just on the toolbar here, or you can push B. I've got my colors there. Let me just change them actually, just pressing D. So we can brush just like that. Control Z to delete that. And up here in your brush toolset picker, you can change your brushes as easy as pie. Okay, if you don't want that, if they aren't there, let me show you where to go. Just into your settings over here, your brush settings, you can choose them all along there. And the same goes with your clone stamp, which is S on the keyboard, or you can find it just on the toolbar. And you can change it as you like. Okay, don't forget to see what I forgot to do there. I've got to choose my source, which I'll just put there. And just cloning about, just duplicating as you do with the clone. This isn't about cloning, it's about changing the brush tip. Okay, so we've done that. Eraser tool, E on the keyboard, or you can just go to the toolbar just over there and changing it as well. If it's not in the list over there, you can go to your brush settings and choose a random one of your choice, which I'm going to choose a leaf. First, I'm going to duplicate my background layer, or else it's not going to work. And I'm going to hide it. So just clicking, you can change it like that. Okay, it's as simple as that. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully you can find something helpful out of it. If you want me to show you how to load downloaded brushes, please let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to show your support. Thanks guys.